if you're looking to factor these, okay, so let's say we have 5y squared is equal to negative 40. Again, by hand, if you're looking to solve these by factoring or extracting the square roots, and what you would do is you'd isolate your variable just like you normally would. When you extract the square root, if you have a negative number under an even index root, which a square root is, you do have to take into account the positive and negative root. And what you're simply going to do here is you're going to remove that square root of negative 1, and we're going to change it to what letter? I. So if we look at this, the square root of 8 can be simplified. What perfect square factor can you remove from 8? So this is really root 4 times root 2, all times root negative 1. And if we simplify what we can, we get root 4 simplifies to 2. Root 2 stays as it is. And the square root of negative 1 can come out as an I. Again, please go ahead and write your answers when you enter them online with the i's before the square root. So just write the square root as the very last thing that you can enter. All right, let's say we wanted to solve this on our calculators. Okay, what's going to happen if we go to solve and we type this in? Oops. No, I typed in, we don't want to solve for x, we want to solve for y. All right, so in this particular case, when you're trying to solve, it tells you false. And it should make sense because what we're looking at is we're looking at real numbers in our calculators. Any ideas on what we could do? Do you think you have to solve it by hand? No. Okay, what system are we looking at here? Complex. So if we go and we type in the letter C in front of our solve and hit enter, that's going to give us our answer in the complex number system and not just in the real number system. Okay, and so by hitting CSolve, your answer will be given in terms of I. Okay, so you can still use your calculators, okay, to answer all these questions. All right. Questions on this. So this will allow you to answer the types of questions where you add and subtract, where you multiply, divide. Your calculators will do that for you. If you're looking to solve, you can just add the word CSolve to it. And that gives you your answer in terms of the complex number system. So it includes the imaginary portions of those.